Hello future architects, welcome to my channel. Here I will be sharing some refresher for the upcoming architect licensure exam. What is referred to as written record of man's effort to build beautifully? A. Prehistoric architecture. B. Elements of architecture. C. History of architecture. D. Style of architecture. And the correct answer is C. History of architecture. Number 2. Characteristic of Egyptian cornice molding, which was the result of the pressure of the roofs against the top of the wall reeds. A. Bead and reel. B. George or Kecker cresting. C. Scarab. D. Egg and dart. The correct answer is B. George or Kecker cresting. 3. Enclosure formed by huge stones planted on the ground in circular form. A. Menhir. B. Cromlech. C. Dolmen. D. Tumulus. The correct answer is B. Cromlech. 4. What do you call the prehistoric dwelling that is raised above the ground by posts? This is made up of animal skin, bones, and leaves that is usually erected on the ground. A. Cave. B. Hut. C. Tent. D. Building. The correct answer is B. Hut. This refers to the material that is found in a certain area. A. Geography. B. Geology. C. Climate. D. Religion. The correct answer is B. Geology. 6. It refers to the contour and natural terrain of the earth. A. Geography. B. Geology. C. Climate. D. Region. The correct answer is A. Geography. This is composed of great upright stones. A. Menhir. B. Megalith. C. Cromlech. D. Dolmen. The correct answer is B. Megalith. What is a prehistoric burial mound? A. Pyramid. B. Philae. C. Tumulus. D. Dolmen. The correct answer is C. Tumulus. 9. The earliest form of dwelling developed by man. A. Rock cave. B. Megaron. C. Tent. D. Hut. The correct answer is A. Rock cave. 10. The Egyptian gateway to temples. A. Pylon. B. Torus. C. Torana. D. Tori. The correct answer is A. Pylon. The favorite motifs of design of the Egyptians include the lotus, papyrus, and what? A. Scarab. B. Nipa. C. Palm. D. Kabeto. The correct answer is C. Palm. 12. Where can you find the Hanging Gardens? A. Temple of Marduk. B. Temple of Babylon. C. Palace of Nebuchadnezzar. D. Palace of Sargon. The correct answer is C. Palace of Nebuchadnezzar. 13. The Aegean beehive-shaped type of tomb. A. Tholos. B. Menhir. C. Mausoleum. D. Loculi. The correct answer is A. Tholos. The use of monsters in doorways is prevalent in A. Greek. B. Egyptian, C. Roman, D. Persian. The correct answer is D. Persian. 15. The palace proper in the Assyrian palaces. A. Seraglio, B. Khan, C. Function Hall, D. Thalamus. The correct answer is Seraglio, A. 16. The chief architectural ornament of the Assyrians. A. Stucco plaster, B. Graffiti, C. Chiseled alabaster, D. Brickwork. The correct answer is C. Chiseled alabaster. 17. The mineral of greatest importance to Greek architecture, of which Greece and her domains had ample supply of, was A. Cement, B. Marble, C. Lime, D. Silica. The correct answer is B. Marble. 18. The characteristic of Greek surface ornament. A. Acanthus leaf, B. Anthemion, C. Egg and dart, D. Acroterion. B. Anthemion. 19. The Parthenon is a blank temple. A. Doric, B. Ionic, C. Corinthian, D. Tuscan. Correct answer is A. Doric. 20. Stonehenge is an example of A. Ziggurat, B. Stone circle, C. Domus, D. Hypostyle court. The correct answer is B. Stone circle. 21. Early civilization huts is made of A. Made of tree tops, B. Rock stones, C. Natural cave, D. Sand. The correct answer is A. Made of tree tops. 22. The Blank River is considered as the life of Egypt and the source of their livelihood. A. Nile, B. Tigris, C. Euphrates, D. Laguna. The correct answer is A. Nile. 23. This object takes up the shape of human and is used as coffin. Choose the correct spelling. The correct answer is C. Sarcophagus. 24. Characteristic wall ornament of the Egyptians. A. Hieroglyphics, B. Bead and reel, C. Polychrome, D. Papyrus. The correct answer is A. Hieroglyphics. 25. The beginner of the great hypostyle hall at Karnak and the founder of the 19th dynasty. A. Ramesses I, B. Ramesses II, C. Ramesses III, D. Ramesses IV. The correct answer is A. Ramesses I. 26. The four-seated colossal statues of Ramesses II is carved in the pylon of the A. Great Temple of Abu Simbel, B. Great Temple of Amon-Ra, C. Temple of Luxor, D. Temple of Parthenon. The correct answer is A. Great Temple of Abu Simbel. 27. Pillars that stood in pairs at the front of an Egyptian temples. A. Obelisk, B. Triglyphs, C. Banister, D. Osiris pillars. The correct answer is A. Obelisk. 28. In Egyptian temples, a pillared hall in which roof rests on columns. A. Dagoba, B. Sanctuary, C. Hypostyle hall, D. Chamber. The correct answer is C. Hypostyle hall. 29. The following are the reasons why man needs shelter during the prehistoric era except for one. A. Protection from elements of nature. B. For privacy. C. For animal shelter. D. For food storage. The correct answer is C. For animal shelter. Last question. Neolithic dwelling and settlement in present-day Turkey occupied between 6,300 BC to 5,400 BC supported a population of up to 6,000 people. What is the largest and most cosmopolitan city of its time? A. Karnak. B. Catalhuyuk. C. Egypt. D. Stonehenge. The correct answer is B. Catalhuyuk. Thank you so much, future architects. Stay tuned for HOA Part 2.